Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 on PlayStation 5. UFC 4 was originally released for the PlayStation 4 console, meaning there isn't a dedicated PlayStation 5 version available. However, your PlayStation 5 console is fully backward compatible with PlayStation 4 games. This fantastic feature allows you to seamlessly enjoy a vast library of your favorite titles, including UFC 4, directly on your new system. It's a straightforward process to get started. If you own the physical disc version of UFC 4, the installation process is quite simple. First, gently insert the UFC 4 game disc into the disc drive of your PlayStation 5 console. The system will automatically recognize the game and prompt you to begin the installation. Ensure your console is connected to the internet, as there might be crucial game updates or patches to download, which will enhance your overall experience and performance. For those with the digital version of UFC 4, the steps are equally straightforward. From your PlayStation 5's main dashboard, navigate to your extensive game library. Here, you will find all your purchased PlayStation 4 titles. Locate UFC 4 within this collection. Once found, simply select the game and proceed to initiate the download and installation process. The console will handle the rest, getting you ready to play in no time. Playing UFC 4 on your PlayStation 5 offers several advantages. You'll immediately notice significantly faster loading times, getting you into the action quicker. The PlayStation 5's powerful hardware also provides a game boost feature, which can enhance performance and potentially offer smoother frame rates for PlayStation 4 titles. While the DualSense controller works, some players prefer using a PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller for a more authentic feel with older games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.